This is a 1/2-inch lag screw, and you'll see how this flat on this surface here, and up here it's catching that one corner. It turns fine. It ratchets in that way. So you come around and it's going to ratchet this way and go again. Okay. Now we'll try it with this closed one, which at the limit with the, this is a 1/2-inch here, so this is with the closed one. And again, you can see how it catches here. It ratchets well enough. But it's really not going on the screw the way the screw head or the bolt head, the way they're designed. It's just grabbing. But for this purpose, it's with a lag bolt, it's fine. Lag screw. Well, let's take it the other way. Unscrew it. And as expected, that works fine. This is small, 1/2-inch. And here's the directions, so we're going to unscrew it here and see how happy that is. And yeah, there it is. It's just flipping it over to unscrew it. So I would say in a pinch, this would be a nice set of wrenches to have around. But since they don't engage each surface of the bolt, I think there'd be some compromise there. But if you just have an emergency carrier here, you want to carry a bunch of wrenches, so there you go. Pretty solid stuff.
I wanted to do a quick video on this multifunctional 2-wrench set that I just got, and it's open in and boxed in, but the difference is these are graduated, and it enables me, for a person that works on both metric as well as SAE projects, a chance to have one wrench, and you can see the teeth in this, and it's directional. It shows you which way you're going to twist this wrench, but they'll fit different size, either a bolt head or a nut. So on the open end, on one end it goes up to a 1/2 inch, on the other end it goes up to 1 inch, and anywhere from 6 to 13 millimeters up to 25. The one that's closed in goes to 7/8 on one end and a 1/2 inch on the other end, and then it varies up to 22 millimeters on the large end and up to 13 on the small end. And each one of these have teeth in them, and basically you're going to slip it over the bolt head or the nut and pull it in the direction until it gets tight. And then it's got going graduations on either end, so whether you need the larger end or the smaller end, you've got one wrench. You can simply flip the ends of it and have effectively two different wrenches. So I've collected a lot of things over the years and they weren't very useful. I think these are going to be really useful. I'm excited about getting a chance to use them. So it's a quality product. It was competitively priced, and it's a multifunction wrench set, open in and boxed in. Thank you.
Little one jams up a bit. Well, pretty sloppy loose. That is going to strip because it's not a flat surface. There's the small. But now on the butt end, it is flat. I don't know.